ever stood at an airport check-in counter? Your mind goes completely blank and you forget every single English word you've ever learned. You just point at your luggage and make a sound like a confused penguin. Well, today we're going to make sure that never, ever happens to you again. You're about to learn the easy, confident way to speak English at the airport.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Aw, thanks, Max. And I'm so excited for today because we're going on a trip. Well, not a real trip, but a language trip.
That's right, we're talking about airport English. From the moment you walk in to the moment you find your seat on the plane, we've got you covered. By the end of this lesson, you will feel so much more confident and natural having conversations at the airport.
No more confused penguin sounds, we promise. We'll go step by step, just like you walk through an airport. So, first step, check in.
Exactly. This is often the first big English conversation you'll have. You'll see rows of desks, each with an airline name. You find your airline, you go to the counter, and you talk to the agent. Let's listen to a common conversation.
Okay, I'll be the passenger. You be the airline agent, Max.
Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. And where will you be flying to today?
I'm flying to London.
Great. How many bags are you checking in?
Just this one suitcase to check in, and I'll have one carry-on bag.
Perfect. Could you please place your bag on the scale? Okay. Would you like an aisle seat or a window seat?
A window seat, please.
Okay. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight is on time and will be boarding at gate B12 at 3:30 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Okay, that was pretty simple, right? Let's break down those key phrases. The agent will almost always start with a greeting and ask for your passport.
Right. Can I see your passport, please? This is a polite request. Let's practice that one. Everyone, repeat after me. Can I see your passport, please?
Next, they'll ask about your destination. Where will you be flying to today? You just say the city. I'm flying to London, or I'm flying to Tokyo. Easy.
Then comes the baggage question. This is very important. How many bags are you checking in? Checking in means the big bags that go under the plane.
And you need to know the words suitcase or bag for the big one and carry-on for the small bag you take on the plane with you. So you can say just one suitcase to check in and one carry-on.
They will also ask about your seat preference. Would you like an aisle seat or a window seat? The aisle is the walkway, the window is next to the window.
And finally, they give you your boarding pass. That's your ticket for the plane and tell you the gate number. The gate is where you go to get on the plane.
So let's do a quick repeat. I'll say the phrase, and you, our amazing listener, say it out loud. Don't be shy. Practice makes perfect. Can I see your passport, please? Where are you flying to? Just one bag to check in. A window seat, please. Here is your boarding pass. Fantastic. You've just mastered the check-in counter.
Okay, next step. You have your boarding pass. Now you have to go through security.
Security. This can feel a little stressful, but if you know the phrases, it's a breeze. The officers there need to check that you and your bags are safe.
The conversations here are usually very short and direct. Let's listen.
Next in line, please. Boarding pass and ID.
Here you go.
Thank you. And please place your carry-on bag and any electronic devices like laptops or tablets into a bin. Please remove your shoes and any metal from your pockets.
Okay.
Now I'm acting as officer. Step through the archway, please. Thank you. You can collect your belongings over there.
Thank you. See, very quick. The key words here are bin, that's the plastic box you put your things in, electronic devices, your laptop, tablet. Remove means take off.
And a very important phrase, step through the archway. That's the metal detector you walk through. They might also say, arms out, please, for a quick scan.
And once you're done, you collect your belongings. That means you take your bags and things back. Okay, you're through security. Now you have some time. Maybe you go to a cafe, or maybe you go straight to your gate.
But wait, most English learners make one big mistake when they get to the gate. Do you know what it is?
Ooh, this is a good one. They hear an announcement and they get nervous. The announcement might say, "We are now inviting passengers traveling with small children or those who need special assistance to begin boarding."
And many beginners hear their flight number and immediately get in line. But that announcement is only for some people. You have to wait for your boarding group. Your group number is on your boarding pass.
Yes, so don't be that person who stands in line for 20 minutes too early. Check your boarding pass for your group or zone. It will say something like Group 3 or Zone B. Wait until they call your group.
Great tip, Lily. Okay, so let's get to the gate area. This is where the final conversations happen before you get on the plane.
Sometimes you might need to ask a question. Let's role play. I'll be a passenger asking the gate agent, that's you, Max, a question.
Excuse me, could you tell me if the flight to London is on time?
Yes, it is. It's scheduled to depart at 4:05 p.m.
And is this the right gate for flight 204 to London?
Yes, it is. We'll begin boarding in about 20 minutes.
Thank you.
You might also hear this conversation if your bag is a bit big. And now I'm as gate agent. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm afraid your carry-on bag might be too large. Could you please place it in this sizer?
Oh, sure. Is it okay?
It's just a little too big. We'll need to check it at the gate. Don't worry, you can pick it up when you arrive.
Okay, no problem.
So, some useful phrases for the gate. Is the flight on time? And is this the right gate for? And a new word, scheduler. It means planned. It's scheduled to depart at 4:05 p.m. And depart means leave.
Also, I'm afraid your bag might be too large. I'm afraid here is a polite way to say, I'm sorry to tell you this. It doesn't mean they are scared.
And if they say they need to check it at the gate, it means your bag will go under the plane, but you don't have to pay. You get it back when you land.
Okay, listeners, it's time for some interactive practice. This is where you play along. Imagine you are at the airport.
Situation 1. You are at the check-in counter. The agent asks you, would you like an aisle seat or a window seat? What do you say? Say it out loud. A window seat, please. Or, an aisle seat, please. Good.
Situation 2. You are at security. The officer says, please remove your shoes. What do? You say, okay, and you take off your shoes. Simple.
Situation 3. You are at the gate. You want to know if your flight is late. How do you ask the agent? You say, excuse me, is the flight to your city on time? Perfect.
Excellent job. You are doing so well. Now the final step is boarding the plane.
This is it. You're getting on the plane. The flight attendants are there to greet you. Let's listen to a quick conversation.
Welcome aboard. Can I see your boarding pass, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. You're in seat 24B. It's just down this way on the right.
Excuse me, I think you're in my seat.
Oh, let me check. I'm in 24A. Oh, I'm so sorry.
No problem at all. Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you so much.
See how friendly that was? Welcome aboard means welcome to the plane. Your seat number has a letter and a number. 24B means row 24, seat B.
And if someone is in your seat, you can say politely, "Excuse me, I think you're in my seat." And always, "Could I have a blanket, pillow, water, please?" is a great phrase to know.
All right, we've covered so much. But before we finish, we have a very special bonus tip for you about what happens after the flight. So stay until the end for that.
Okay, let's do a super quick recap of the most important phrases we learned today. These are your 5 keys to a confident airport experience.
Number 1, at check-in. Just one bag to check in and one carry-on.
Number 2, at check-in, a window seat, please. Or, an aisle seat, please.
Number 3, at security. Please remove your shoes.
Number 4, at the gate, is the flight to your city on time?
And number 5, on the plane. Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?
Write those down. Practice them and you will be amazing on your next trip.
And now for the bonus tip. You've landed. You've arrived in a new country. Now you need to go through immigration and customs.
This is the last official conversation. You go to the immigration officer. They will stamp your passport. They will usually ask you 2 or 3 simple questions.
The most common questions are, what is the purpose of your visit? Are you here for tourism, business, to visit family?
So you can say, "I'm here on vacation," or "I'm here for tourism," or "I'm visiting family."
They might also ask, how long will you be staying? So you answer, for 1 week, or for 10 days.
And finally, where will you be staying? You can say, "At the Grand Hotel," or just show them your hotel reservation. It's very straightforward.
So you see, from the moment you walk into the airport to the moment you walk out, you now have the English you need.
We are so proud of you for sticking with us and practicing today. Learning a language is a journey, and every phrase you learn is a step forward.
Absolutely. You are becoming a more confident English speaker, one trip at a time.
Now, we would love to hear from you. This is your call to action. Tell us in the comments, which phrase from today are you going to practice? Is it, "A window seat, please"? Or, "Is the flight on time?" Let us know.
And tell us about your dream travel destination. Where do you want to go using your new English skills? London? New York? Tokyo? We read every single comment.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is also learning English. It really helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Next time, we're going to help you with another scary but fun situation: how to order food at a restaurant in English. You'll learn how to order like a local, not from a textbook.
It's going to be delicious. Until then, keep practicing and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. Safe travels.
Bye.